gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my mini mystery box of awesome. All right, guys, let's see how awesome it is this month. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. This is their logo. Yes, it's upside down, but I'm not going to flip it the other way because I've already opened the top of this. So you guys know that I get this every single month, and I've never had anything awesome, so to speak. I keep holding out and getting it each and every single month in hopes that I will get something awesome. Let's see what we got this month. All right, guys, the first thing I'm pulling out of here. Woo! It's a kite. It is a American flag style kite. Is this awesome? I mean, I wouldn't say it's awesome, but it's kind of cool. I will probably definitely use it with my son. So, I mean, it's not a total bust, but, you know, I'm not excited about it. But okay, there's that. Great! Okay, so every single month they include this little word search. This time it's an April word search. Then you got the little umbrella. It says April showers bring May flowers. Design your umbrella. Pretty cool. And then they have this other stuff here on the back. Actually, that's usually the best thing in the bag. Let's see if that's the case this month. You only get 3 things, guys. Let's see. There's this. I don't know what's the... Oh, here we go. Oh, socks. Awesome. I mean, I'll wear them, but I wouldn't call this awesome. A pair of brown socks, guys. Really? Is that awesome? I'm just saying. Okay, there's one more thing. Here's the grand finale. Da 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 da. It is natural activated charcoal spearmint flavor tooth and gum powder. Yeah! Come on, guys. I mean, that is such a specific product. I mean, think about that. That is definitely not for everybody. I'm just saying. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? I apply a small amount to moisten toothbrush and brush as usual. Do not swallow. Avoid getting moisture into jar. Okay, so what is it supposed to, like, oh, can you imagine brushing your teeth with this stuff? I mean, it's like a powder. You guys seeing it? I'm just saying. It's like a powder. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I'll try it. If I do, I'll let you guys know. But that was the mystery bag of awesome for the month of April. Tell me, guys, did you see anything awesome in this bag? I'm just saying. Stay tuned for next month, and let's see if they actually give me something awesome. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Oh, the light was lower. I'm sorry. Why was that low? Oh. Can I throw this? Oh, I'm going to try it. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. There's their little logo. Is that upside down? It is. But I can't change that, right? Okay.